For Lesson 7, Language and Style Apply, you just need to read through the content of that lesson and then mark it complete and study for your test. Okay, guys, because tomorrow on the planner you should have a test. Lesson 8 has been skipped, so you shouldn't see that lesson at all. And then tomorrow's lesson, you're just going to take your unit test, so study your notes. And as a reminder, remember to answer your open response questions using the RACE strategy, unless it tells you otherwise. If it says you in 1 or 2 sentences, explain this, then you can just use the 1 or 2 sentences. But it's pretty standard for you to use the RACE strategy pretty much for every open response from here on out, and that you could do this for all of your classes from this point on, and you should do pretty well in those open response questions. So remember that the RACE strategy, you restate and answer the question. Okay, that's your first sentence. Then you'll cite evidence from the text, usually one piece of evidence, okay, and you can paraphrase that, and it's usually a good idea to paraphrase almost everything instead of using quotes. You want to use quotes sparingly in any paper that you write or whatever, but for an open response, you can quote something from the text, and then the next 1 or 2 sentences should explain how that evidence supports your answer. So remember, a paragraph is 5 to 7 sentences usually, so then you would have a closing sentence that just kind of sums it all up. All right, guys, make sure you study for your test, and good luck on your test.